Something a bit different for the lads this weekend. What I was attracted to. You got dead roadkill in your engine.
Brooks, don't put my name board up though, it costs me 40 quid. Look at that bastard.
Good morning. Boys doing something a bit different today. Van bangers. I've never done the vans before, so we're looking forward to it. Let's check the vans out. Almost stripped down.
Look at that bastard. Look like the Grinch.
Little fairy greaves.
There goes the piss text stickers. Done it, Dave, yeah?
Yes, I.
Would you believe that? It's picked the water up on the river. 1.4 metres deep, that is.
What that has?
Yep.
How the fuck's it done that?
Come and have a look on the screen.
That's fucking weird.
Maximum depth.
That's scary.
On that one, you go door plate there.
There's a door when you roll it. What are you putting that on?
What are you planning on doing on Sunday?
It's a bunker track.
Are you upset?
He's said twice now about rolling. You're gonna jinx yourself.
That's what I'm planning on doing.
Rolling, are you?
If I can get on the ramp.
Good run. Good run. I like rolling.
You like rolling?
Oh! Where's the fucking pit? I'm gonna stop the boats on the roof.
I'm trying to make my fucking chicken salad over here. That's all the flies attracted to. You got dead roadkill in your engine.
I'll take that down there.
Yeah, that's right, good idea.
Brooks a photo of it. You fucking, no wonder you got 99p robbed off it.
Is it not the same purple?
And do you know what it is? He saved 99p in each, so they've robbed him with a bit of paint.
Yeah.
Mixture.
Yeah, you want your numbers on this side. It's climb on rope.
Smile, old man. She needs to come up.
All dead.
Not weak.
See? Not only me, what? Stand up, but she can't stand up.
Yeah, this is the
Been robbed, mate.
Yeah, it's like, it's not. It's like,
Oh, for fucking hell's sake. I'm gonna have to bolt my door up, aren't I? Bottom my door.
Why?
There's no inside.
Nah, you'll be alright. Your legs aren't going nowhere near that.
yeah, it's not like when you're in your car, is it?
I ain't got no floor, doesn't matter.
I was thinking about belting all the bottom of my door up.
Ah, you'll be alright.
You're dangerous, Joe.
Right on the road,
Don't fucking stop the boat. I think they'll blur that out, you know.
Put MTT up there.
Don't you? Put my name as well so you know which is which. Oh, well, no, anyway, because Jason's stopped the ball.
Jason's going out to protest. It's not like if any of the banes start climbing on it, you know what we're like. What you hurt?
Just check.
Yeah.
That fucking. That looks like a knob.
Do we reckon? Look at Vlogger Brooks loving it. Look at his artwork, look. I want to see it, so I'll see
It looks like a knob. Deformed.
Look at that show Richard been about. Thank you.
Hey, Thacker.
Yeah, okay. We've got to make sure it's straight and then put Jade down these doors. Because I don't like
You know
it.
what? Do Andrews actually mine up and
Just put Jade down your door. Because I don't like Andrew down the side of it. It's Jade up Andrew. Andrew!
But you ruined it. It is. It is.
no, mine Brooksy. Put my name at that side.
I thought I should say that.
Yeah, right, I like that. That's alright.
Then we can tell the difference anyway. At least Andrew's got his name on it. He knows who Andrew is.
Right, you've got it all
You
crammed
know
this
them right
side.
there, you're not gonna have a clue, do you?
I know.
Yeah, but when you're at the other side,
I'll be able to see that. We'll do the silver side. Stop panicking.
I'm panicking.
We need somewhere to put a symbol on the thingy so we know who.
Brooksy, do mine this side. Do mine this side.
How much you charging, Brooks?
Everybody! They look good just with the stickers on, really, didn't they? Disappointed.
See, you don't listen to me ever. You could have just done the name and number at the other side and left that side as it was because it looks mint. Haha, regretting it now, are you?
Don't like that, looks good.
I always tell you to listen to your woman, but you never do. Doing with your seats.
Don't lean on my pin.
Ah!
Can you do me a favour? Sort that 9 to 4 off for me.
He's fuming.
React to it.
Sort that out, do something with
He's
it.
getting mad, look, he's fuming.
See, are the connecting ones? Yeah, come on, look, proper heavy duty ones. So what, you can't swell it or something to make sure it's better than that. You swear it.
Swell it, bro, swell it. Like your badger.
I think it's going to react.
Look at the swell on that. Can't see much swelling going on.
Just do a line in the middle of them all. You reckon you can do it?
Just spray in the
You've
middle.
got no masking tape. Masking tape that out.
Fucking do it, you've just done that one.
Done what?
9 to
What that? What? Look how thick it is.
Yeah, it means just literally in the
No, they mean
lines.
just like a line in the middle, just to make it. You cannot see them at all, honestly. Yeah,
Swell it, Brooks, go on.
Brooks, don't put my name board up though. It costs me much. Do
You just told me to fucking.
you want me to hold it?
He's just getting his wrist
Fucking little
movement
right
going.
in there, innit?
And especially with your eyes.
I didn't know it was paper, so.
Just getting his harness finished. New battery in. Are you tying them doors up when you're finished?
Hey. Ah, you bastard!
Brooksy!
I've got a rocket tank.
I've got a rail cannon one, mate.
No.
Extra with it in the van.
You reckon you get all 4 reeks out of them? Telephone. Fans are ready. Catch us Sunday for the van bank.